Hello students, we'll wait for a few minutes for others to join. Hello all. I have shared the sheet for HTML worksheet in your in the Google Drive, in the Google Calendar. Are you all able to view that sheet? Hello, are you all able to view that sheet? Hello.
Let me check for a second.
Yes. All right. Okay. Open that sheet because we are going to follow that, and I am going to edit that sheet again and again once I think of new questions. That sheet is already having a few questions. We are going to solve that in the HCDA lab. All right. The goal of this lab is at the end of this semester, you will be able to create at least one website or one portal which you find useful for yourself. All right. That is the goal of this complete HCDA concept. So initially, we are going to try and create HTML documents on our own. So what we are going to do is you open that document, see the first practical, and let us try to do the first one. All right. Yes. Tanmay Raj, are you there? Tanmayraj. All right, he is absent. Tanmayraj is absent.
Ma'am,
Yes, Darshan, yes.
I don't have electric laptop charging here.
Oh, okay.
Electricity cut off. तो मैं
Yes, no problem. All right, so what you are planning to do, Darshan? You are going to attend this session or the next one, or how it is going to happen?
no ma'am, this one, but
Mhm.
I see only. I can't do. I try with my mobile.
Okay, okay,
This
okay.
one.
You are joined with your phone? All right.
Yes.
Okay, okay, okay. No problem, no problem. All right, okay. Yes, Ayush? Yes, you can unmute yourself. Banushali?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you were saying something.
Sorry, ma'am.
You were saying something.
No, ma'am.
All right, okay. Yes, Pima is sharing his screen. Great. All right. Yes, Pima. So you can see the worksheet, right? You have to, yes, no problem. All right.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
you,
Is the one, ma'am?
yes. The first practical is you need to print your details like name, address, email address, and contact number. All right, on the HTML. So it should be web page, and you have to try using different font, color, type, and headings. All right.
Okay.
All right.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, sorry for the interruption, ma'am. Actually, I joined a bit late. Can you please tell from where I'm going to get this worksheet?
Okay, in your Google Calendar, I have added as an attachment. All right. So when you open your Google
Okay.
Calendar, yes, you will find the Google Drive attachment from my side. That's what you have to open. Okay. Now what you have to do is,
Okay, ma'am.
yes, you have to open your editor. All right. So, Panjwani, which editor you are planning to use?
Ma'am, Visual Studio Code.
Yes, yes, no problem. You're comfortable with that? All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, no
Ma'am,
problem.
worksheet. I cannot find worksheet.
Okay, you go to your Google Calendar. There
Yes,
will
ma'am.
be
I
a,
will.
yes, there is a Google Drive link over there. Google Drive attachment. Click on that and download the worksheet.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Rishabh Sharma, which editor you are planning to use today?
For HTML,
Yes, for HTML.
Notepad++.
All right. Okay, good, good. Okay, then you can present your screen. You can
Okay.
present. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. All right. Rishabh is sharing his screen. He is planning to do this in Notepad++. Yes. Yes. You can increase the font size so it's visible. You can just magnify. No need to change the size. You can, yes, you can directly zoom. Yes. Now the file that you are editing on is currently a log file, .log extension. So you double click the next tab and open a new file. You close that file. Yes, that is the file that you want to edit. All right. So now Rishabh is sharing his screen and he is doing HTML coding. Anybody is having any questions in what is body, what is head tag, what is HTML tag, how to create HTML files, what is the extension of HTML files? Any questions regarding that? They can raise your hand. Nobody is having any questions. Good. All right, Pima. Yes, Pima. What is your question? You can unmute yourself.
Ma'am, can you give a surface meaning or surface about HTML and all the languages, ma'am, that we are gonna use in this model, ma'am?
Can you repeat your question? You want information regarding?
Yes, yes. A little bit information regarding HTML and all language we are going to use in this model, ma'am.
Okay, in HCDA. HCDA, Pima?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay. See, the thing is that you can use hybrid languages and create your own website. The goal of this course is to create your own website, which has HTML pages. Now, Pima, integration of HTML can be done in PHP also, in JavaScript also, in CSS also. All right. So you can use any language that you are comfortable with for creating your own web page. Now, if you are not comfortable or if you don't know what languages are there for creating a website, then in Photoshop, like sir said, you can use CSS for decoration purposes, right? For building layouts, you can use HTML and CSS. And for doing some client server scripting, you can use JavaScript and PHP, right? Yeah?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Sri Narayan. Eva, you can mute yourself. Yes. Sri Narayan is not able to find the worksheet. Okay. Beta, go to your Google Calendar first.
Ma'am, found it. I found it.
Okay. All right.
Got it. Okay.
Yes. All right. Rishabh, you can stop sharing. I'll ask another one to share the screen. Okay. Pranjul Mishra. Mr. Mishra.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What are you currently doing? Can you share your screen?
Ma'am, I'm using VS Code for that. But ma'am, actually, I had joined the meeting with my mobile phone.
Oh, okay. No problem. So, see, you can even run this applications online. There are online editors available, right? You can even.
Ma'am, I just found out that we do in my notepad too. Actually, we had a workshop in morning session. And I had tried that task of developing a website on my own resume. So I just normally did it on my notepad editor.
Yes,
Nothing
you can even
required.
use notepad. Yes, no editors are required, of course. Yes. That is fine. But currently, you will not be doing the practical today, Pranjal. That is what I am asking you. You will not be able to do today? Mishra, Mr. Mishra? Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. I didn't got you.
Yeah,
Got a question.
Okay, all right. Are you not able to perform practical? Like in just today, it's like that or?
No. I'm able to perform. It's okay, but actually, my PC is a low-end laptop, so I had some issues while I used it while attending that class and performing the practicals at the same time. So I'm using my mobile phone for attending and I'm doing the practicals on my laptop.
All right. You are using mobile phone for Google Meet or for performing the practical?
For sure.
Tell me, are you using mobile phone for joining the Google Meet or for performing the practical? Currently, what
No,
are you doing?
I'm using mobile phone for joining the lecture. I'm using my laptop for the practical.
All right. So you can turn your phone's camera and show me the output once it's ready. All right.
Sure, ma'am.
Okay. Narayan, did you got the worksheet?
Yes, ma'am. I got it.
Yes. All right. Okay. Divyajit Pala. Yes. Unmute yourself. What are you doing? Share your screen. Divyajit. All right. Yes. Okay. Oh, wow. That's great. Okay. All right. Okay. Good. Yes. Very good. Okay. Yes. Very good. All right. Saif Ali is there. Saif Ali. Saif Ali is absent. All right. Okay, he's not there. Vijay Raj?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you share your screen?
Ma'am, actually, there is a power cut off, so I'm not able to use my PC right now.
Okay, so are you using your phone, right? You're using your
Yes,
phone for the
ma'am.
meeting? All right. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to open an online editor. All right?
Yes, ma'am.
For HTML. Search in Google. HTML editor online. All right? And you're going to type it in your phone. Just like you type the text messages, you're going to type the HTML code. All right?
Yes, ma'am.
And then share your screen on your phone. It is possible to present your screen on phone also. All right? Yes, the easiest one you will find is W3 Schools Editor. If you are able to search for it, it's a good one. You can search it, all right? Samir Alam is present. Samir Alam, no, he is absent. Anybody facing any issue in creating the first question? First is easy, right? Then you can Yes, yes,
Ma'am,
Prima.
can you teach me, ma'am?
Yes, what happened? Can you repeat that?
Can you teach? I don't know how to use HTML.
All right. Okay. No problem. I'll share my screen with you. Okay.
Software shall I use, ma'am?
Which? Can you repeat that question again?
Which software shall I use, ma'am?
No need to use any software. You can simply. Are you able to see my screen, Prima?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Okay. Just look what I'm doing. You can simply use simple Notepad or Notepad++. You can use any editor. No need to use some fancy editor. All right. Then your HTML starts with HTML tag. HTML is case insensitive. So it doesn't matter if you keep both capital or both small, it doesn't matter. All right. This is the starting of the tag, ending of the tag. HTML is a paired tag. Paired tag meaning you need to have the ending of the tag. It's always a good habit to end certain tags. That is why if it's a paired tag, you can end it like this, / and then the name of the tag. All right. And all the tags are written in this format, tag. And it's attribute, some attribute and it's some value like this. And then you can end the tag like this. All right. Like say, for example, you want to set the background color of the page, then attribute BG color I'm using here equals to say, for example, black. Then this will be having black color in the complete background like that. All right. Save something, save some document, we write name of the document .html extension. All right. And then we click on save. Prima, are you getting this? Prima?
Yes, yes.
Yes. Then head
Yes,
start
yes, ma'am.
and body start, body end. All right. It will be mentioned in the header section, will come in the title of the browser. For that purpose, we use the head section. Body relates to the actual content of the page is body. All right. If you mention here title tag, like this is my first page, then this will be reflected in the title bar of the Google. Like how you, when you search Google, what is in the tabs title? That is the title of that particular website. Right? This will be coming in that. Whenever you are free, I want also you to explore this thing. See, these are the comments in HTML. Just like you write this in C and this also for C++ and C and Java too. Comments in HTML are given using this tag. This is the comment start and this is the comment end. I also want you to look how to add image icon for your portal, right? For your website.
Using IMG tag.
Yes. Can you repeat that? IMG tag. See, I am talking about this.
Using
icon.
IMG SRC tag.
Yes, I understand. That is for adding images in the body section. Mishra, what I am asking is, I want you to add this icon. Can you see my pointer? This icon. Not the image source in the body area. No, I want you to add this icon. This meet symbol is there. When you open Google, Google is having its own.
Ma'am, we have to use button tag.
No button. I want to research something on that. Like this G is coming. No, I want you to have your own image over here.
Ma'am, you have to add it in the title tag.
Title tag, how will you add? Can you give me the syntax for that?
I'm not sure. I'm just guessing it is just
Alright.
same as the image.
Okay. Yes, that is.
I'm not sure. I'm just guessing.
Oh, okay. No issues. All right. I want you to explore this on your own. If you're not able to, I'll help you out with that, of course. But try to explore this on your own. All right. How to add something is there in header section only. You are right, but not in title. Or if in title, how to do in title. All right. Search it on your own. Explore it on your own. And I want you to add that icon also. Okay. And any questions in how to create a web page, Rima?
Yes, ma'am. I do have questions.
Yes. No? Now will you try it on your
Wait,
own?
ma'am, I do have question, ma'am.
Okay, will you try it now?
Okay, ma'am, we'll do once. Okay, ma'am,
Yes, yes.
we'll try and
Okay, okay.
ask question.
Yes, yes. Anybody having any issues, any questions regarding the first question? First question is very easy. Once you are done with first, try to move on the third question and then do the second one. First, third, second, like that, all right? Jignesh Prasad. Mr. Jignesh Prasad.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Are you there in Java lectures?
Yes, ma'am.
Then why I haven't heard your voice anytime? I'm getting a hard time recollecting you. All right. What are you doing currently? Any questions in how to create HTML? Anything?
No, ma'am. First month completed. I'm just
Okay.
seeing the third question.
All right. Okay. Okay. In the third question, you can choose your own images. Get your own images and do it on your own. All right. It is not mandatory to use the same images. Okay. But it's
Okay,
a
ma'am.
table arrangement. That is what is important. Saif Ali, you came back. Mr. Saif Ali. I will mark you absent if you
Hello.
want.
Yes, ma'am. Hello.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What are you doing? Initially, I asked for you. You were not there in the meeting.
Actually, ma'am, I'm joining late.
Okay. So now what
Right
are you
now,
doing? Yeah.
just I'm downloading worksheets from Google Calendar.
All right. Okay. 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 Fine. After a few minutes, I'll call you to present your screen. All right.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Hello, ma'am. Necessary to download Notepad++?
No need to download. See, if you're comfortable with simple Notepad, it's fine. If you're comfortable with Notepad++, you can download whatever editor you're comfortable with. Darshan. All right?
Rather, we can use on online mode.
That is also fine. Yes, yes, yes. You can open W3 schools and you can even do it online. That is also
Excuse
fine.
me, ma'am.
Yes, Harshvardhan.
Ma'am, actually, I just joined because my laptop was engaged by my sister. She has Viva to it. That's why I joined right now.
No
So,
problem.
pardon
What
me.
we have, yes, yes, no issues. What we are doing currently
Yes,
is
ma'am. Ma'am, could you?
yeah, yeah.
Ma'am, could you please mark me present?
All right.
Yeah, ma'am, thank you.
Harshvardhan. I haven't
Yes, ma'am.
marked you absent at all. All right. I have marked you present.
Okay, okay.
Me too, Darshan
Okay.
Raj.
Thank you, ma'am.
Darshan.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm not in attendance now. You don't worry. I'll take it once I see your output. Huh? Otherwise, I will mark you absent only.
Down,
Darshan,
ma'am, down. 67.
7. Where is your name? All right. I have not marked you also. Oh, you are able to see my sheet also. Oh, I was not able. All right. Fine. Yes. Okay. Done with the first practical. Who is done with the first practical? Raise your hand. First is very easy. Pala. Yes, very good. Lead Gadhania. Gadhania, I didn't ask you to share your screen. Can you share your screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. I want you to use your creativity in choosing the fonts, choosing the color, choosing the background color, right? Also, there is one more thing I want to share with you all. The website that you want to create, even it is possible. See, if you are not able to think of the definition, what you want to create, I'll help you out with that. But if you have a concept, that, okay, I want to create this kind of website.
Ma'am, it is visible.
Yes. Yes, very good. Okay, now what I want you to do is, I want you to change the fonts without using CSS yet. Dhania, will you be able to do it?
I'll try.
Yes, yes, yes. You can try, no problem. Even change the color of the background, color of the fonts. Try to use paragraph tag, right? P tag.
Okay, ma'am.
Try to be creative here. Thank you, Mahesh bhai. Okay. Dharmik is present. Dharmik absent. All right. Alab. Hello? Enrollment number 60. Kalab. Absent. Why these people are always absent? Any idea? Yevashira is also absent. Only Pima is attending regularly all of my sessions. Pima?
Yes, madam.
Yes.
I'm
Why
attending.
others are not there?
I don't know. I'm not African, ma'am.
All right. Oh, okay. All right.
Ma'am, can I share my screen, madam? Please check
Yes.
my. I
Yes.
don't
Yes.
know, ma'am.
Yes. You can share a screen. Yes.
Is it correct, madam?
Oh, okay. Let me check. Yes. Very good. How will you save this? With which extension you will save this file?
Yeah, file, save as.
Yes.
We'll go
Save
save
as.
as.
Yes.
Here, I'll write HTML.
Yes. Very good. And save. Correct.
What about document, madam? File document.
You can click and keep on all files. That is fine. Yes. And
Fine, madam.
save. Yes.
Yes, we'll keep on document.
Yes.
Next.
Yes.
Yes, I have already saved.
Yes. Now let us double click the HTML file and see the output. How do you run this? Go to desktop, Pima. Go to desktop. Yes. Now are you able to see? Okay. Now are you able to see first.html? See that Chrome's icon. Double click on that. See? Output,
Yes.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
But these are just the title. What about your name, address? You have to fill the details, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, fill these details. Also try to change the color of the font. How to change the color of the font, Pima?
I don't
Do
know,
you
ma'am. Can you teach me how to fill my details and change my colors, ma'am?
Okay. All right. I'll help you out with that. You can
Okay,
stop.
ma'am.
Yes. Stop presenting. I'll help you. Yes. Are you able to see my screen?
Machine. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Yes. All right. You can use H2, H1, these headings tag. You know heading tag, right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. This complete stuff I'm writing inside, say for example, H1. All right. And ending H1. Okay. Now this, if I'm writing something inside H1, it will be automatically having the property of boldness. This will be automatically bolded. All right.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now, say for example, I am writing some another text, address. Then I want to change the color of the address. Then I will use the font tag. All right. Font tag. I surround this complete statement that I want to change the color of with the font start and font end. Here I can mention color. Which color do you want? Red. All right, red. Then you run the page. How to run the page? Go on desktop, double click the file. You have the output, right? Got it? Yes, and also mark one more thing. How many enter you press here doesn't matter. For next line, you need to use BR tag for next line. That you know, right? See, I've kept here so many enter keys. I'm pressing so many enter keys here. But it is not showing the same thing here. It is still in the same line. Right, Pima?
Yes, ma'am.
So we need to break the line using BR tag. BR is an unpaired tag. BR is an unpaired. So you need not to end this tag at all. All right? It's not mandatory to end the BR tag. See, now it's in the next line. Understood? Yes, try to change this on your device. Try to change it on your project. All right, I'm going to stop present. Somebody is writing. We can use label tag. Yes, I think you can use label tag, of course. See, I think you will be learning to use label, button. So many tags are there. No checkbox. Yeah, options tag for that. Naitik. Naitik went somewhere. Is he here? Naitik, you are here? Naitik? All right. Tanmay Raj? All right, okay. Divyaji? Uma, can you mute yourself? You are on unmute. Okay, Divyaji, are you done with the first question? Unmute yourself. I'm not going to read out your chats, okay? Speak to me. Mr. Pala, speak to me. Divyaji, share your screen and show me the output. No Hindi. Don't talk Hindi. What do you mean by 1 minute? No, not Hindi, not Gujarati. Only speak in English with me. Come on, share your screen and unmute yourself. I want to hear your voice.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, see? This is how you speak. Yes, show me your screen.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, is it visible?
Oh, yes, I can see. Oh, great. Your VS Code. Great. Scroll down. Ah, okay, you know shortcut icon. Very good. Yes, that is the correct one, the correct way to put that icon, right, on the browser's tab.
Yes.
Yes, good. All right. Yeah, see, Divyajit has kept. Is everybody able to see his screen? See worksheet 1 and see on the top. He knows how to use the link tag for adding the icon, right?
No, ma'am, I just searched it on Google.
Oh, okay, you searched it on Google. All right, okay, no issues. But now you know, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, that's great. Okay, show me your code. Okay, yeah, you know what is strong. Very good. Okay, now S style will be, all right, that is also fine. You have added style over there. All right. Now, Divyajit, one more thing. You know that you can create a separate style sheet document, right? That also you know, no?
Yes, I know that.
Yes, okay, that's good then. Then and to relate that style sheet with your HTML document, the same link tag will be used. That also you know?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Link and relationship. Yes, very good. Yes, good. Very good. Yes, you can stop sharing. Good. Now move on to the next question, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Move on to the third question. Saif Ali?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Share your screen. Let me see what are you doing.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, it is visible?
Yes, I can see your screen. Okay, yes, very good. All right. Yes, very good. Good. Are you able to change the fonts?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you able to change the font type? All these is Times New Roman Divyajit. I want to use a different font, say for example Arial font. Then will I change it?
Ma'am, I've done the font part. Can I show?
Yes, yes, yes. Font family. Who said font family? Font family is in CSS. I want, okay. What is to be done in the third question? Divyajit, in the third question, what you need to do is you need to create a table in that format with image also. Yes, very good, Rishabh. Yes, you
And
know
now
how to change the font. Did you do with CSS or HTML?
no HTML only.
Okay. See, now you have added style inside it, right? Style means CSS, right?
Oh yes, okay, style. Yes, yes, yes.
Yes. In HTML, if you want to change the font, face is the attribute. Face, and then like font face, and then equals to the name of the font. That way also you can do. This is also the fine way. Very good. Done, Rishabh. Very good. Now try to create a page with the table. All right.
Okay.
Yes. Very good. Yes. Try to create table, and you can use the third question first. You can do the third question first. It is very easy, and then you do the second one. All right. Second one is using all that merge, col span and row span and everything, merging of the columns and everything. Okay. Okay. Third question is very easy, that you can do easily. Maniyar, Darshan Maniyar is present.
Yes, ma'am, present
Yes,
here.
Maniyar, share your screen. What are you doing? Show it to me.
Yeah, ma'am, sharing.
Yes. Rishabh, you can stop presenting, no problem.
Can you see my screen, ma'am?
Not yet.
Now?
Okay, now I can see. Yes. Oh wow, BG color you have set. Font color you have set. Good, you know how to use. Oh, what have you done here? See, you have started H2, but you are completing H3. How come?
Oh,
Right?
ma'am, sorry, by
Yes,
mistake.
yes, no problem, no problem. Yes, very good, but very good. Okay, finish it up fast. Okay, you are adding image also.
Yeah.
Okay, then image src equals should be there, no? Attribute equals value. Remember?
Yeah.
And this picture should be on the same directory your file is in. Like if it's on the desktop, then the picture
Yeah.
should be also on the desktop because you haven't added any path to it, right? Yes. All right. Okay. Yes. Finish it fast. Okay. Save your work also. Don't forget to save.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes. You can stop presenting.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Good. Darshan Parmar, what are you doing currently?
Ma'am, 1 minute, I'm presenting.
Yes.
Ma'am, it is visible?
Yes, I can see you. Oh, yes. You're on. Very good. All right. Oh, wow. You are able to do it.
Yes, ma'am.
Maria, you can.
Yeah, ma'am. Sorry.
Yes. All right. Yes, very good.
Okay.
You can stop share. Yes. Okay. Who's next? Let me check. Udayraj. Udayraj is not there. Okay. Rishabh Sharma. I already have seen your work. No problem.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Ivanchi is not present. Mr. Bhanu Charlie, what are you doing? Bhanu Charlie?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Are you done with the question? Yeah.
No, ma'am, I'm doing the first question.
Okay, share your screen with me.
Can I share it after completing it?
No problem. All right. You are not done
Okay,
with the first question? Can you show it to me? What have you done so far? Bhanu Charlie? Mr. Bhanushali.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, share your screen. I want to see what you are doing currently. It's fine even if you are not done with the complete answer. That is also fine.
Ma'am, I'm just about to start doing it. That's why I
Why?
told.
Why?
Actually, PC was not with me, so I just now.
Okay. You are just starting it?
Yes, ma'am. It won't take much time, ma'am. I'm sharing right.
Then you share your screen. I'll do it together with you. Share your screen. I want to see what you are doing.
Yes, ma'am. Just a minute.
Radhania, I have seen your work. Right. Maurya, Avinash Maurya, absent. Oh, Preet Limbani, absent. Arjun, absent. Maharana, absent.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Prima.
Let me share my screen, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
What is the wrong with phone, madam? Phone, ma'am.
What is the?
Wrong with phone, madam. Phone color, ma'am.
Okay, font color. Oh, okay. See, font, you have completed the tag. See, font shouldn't be with greater than sign. You see, in between font and color, you are mentioning a greater than sign. Means you are completing the tag. No, 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 no. Space will come. Yes, space, yes. And color spelling will be COLOR. You will not come over there. Yes.
Then,
Now
ma'am.
save and run. It will be showing you with the red color. Yes.
Okay, ma'am. How do we? How we are gonna put font type, madam?
How do we open a font tag? That
So,
is what
ma'am,
asking. Can you repeat your question?
how do we are going to put font type, ma'am? Font type.
Oh, font type. All right. Okay. See, just like you have added color, no, Pima, the same way you can add face. FACE, face is the font type. Okay. So I'll help you out with that. After, no, no, no.
Face, madam.
No, 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 no. Okay. Stop sharing your screen. I'll help you out. Stop sharing once. I'll help you. Okay. You able to see my screen, Pima? Pima?
Yes, madam.
All right. Okay. See, you want to apply a certain type of font to this text. Then
Yes, ma'am.
font is the tag. Now you can add as many number of attributes you want here. See, it's the syntax of creating any tag is like this. Attribute equals to value. Again, another attribute equals value. Like this, you can add n number of attributes here. Ima. What is the attribute? Like now see, I have used one attribute here with one value. Good. I want to add one more attribute. Now I want to add a different type of font. I'll add face. Say for example, I want Arial type of fonts. Then attribute name equals value. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
All these properties will be applied. All these attributes will be applied to this preceding text. Right? In
Yes,
this
ma'am.
font tag. Understood?
Okay, ma'am. But why do we put tag attribute is equal to value 3 times, ma'am?
No, no, no. You need not to put the same tag attribute 3 times. This is just the syntax, a general format of how you can use a tag. Tag is not a tag. Font is a tag. H1 is a tag, like that.
Okay, ma'am.
This is just a syntax, Pima. Yes, just a generic format. Yes.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Understood?
Let me try one.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes,
Let me
you
try
can-
one, ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes. I'll stop sharing. All right. Who is next? Dhruvi. Dhruvi is absent. Naitik. Did you show me your work?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can I see your screen?
Ma'am, actually my laptop is not working, so I'm just listening to you.
Oh, okay. Then you can do it on phone also, like Darshan did. Open your phone. Open W3 Schools. All right.
I
Yes,
can
yes.
just
Huh.
speak the whole, syntax.
No.
So
No. Show me in your phone. Okay. Share your screen on your phone.
okay, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Stephanie?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What are you doing? Can you share your screen now?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. You are doing second question or first is done? First is done, Seth? Hello? You are on mute actually, so I'm not able to hear you.
Hello.
Yes. First is done.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay,
yes, ma'am.
okay. You're doing second one. All right. No issues. Okay. All right. Okay.
Can I stop sharing, ma'am?
Yes, you can stop sharing. 62 number absent. 61 absent. 59 absent. 63. Okay. 65. All right. Yes, Pima. Oh, yes. Now you can.
It's not working, ma'am. I Discord, ma'am.
Yes. You got it?
It's not working, ma'am.
It's working. See? What happened?
Oh, is it like that, madam? I think
Uh-huh.
the font color should be in there, ma'am.
Ma'am, we can use it with
Yeah.
It is, ma'am.
Where will you apply it then? See, open your editor. See, you are on the line before that line. You have used H1 tag, no? Yes? Then apply this font tag after H1 tag. Or you can even apply it with H1 tag. Like H1 color equals red. Like that also you can do.
Here, ma'am. Full instead of full name, ma'am.
See, you are using full name twice, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, see, the font tag that you have used, you cut that font tag completely and you surround that on the line before it. See, full name line right after H1 you can put that.
Full name, ma'am.
See, where is your H1 tag on the line above that?
This
Line,
is right, ma'am.
no, this is line number 6. To put your cursor on line number 5. Line number 5. Full name, Pima Bungri, where is written? Yes, above that, H1, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, after the H1 tag completes, yes, now you can put font tag over there. Understood?
Oh, I have to put font here, ma'am.
Yes, you want that statement to change its color or no? So put your font tag there after that, including the less than greater than sign or not without that. See, including the tag format, including the less than sign, yes, greater than sign, very good. Now, how will you complete your font tag after your name is done? After your name, yes, that font completion tag will come where, Pima? That you can delete, that line you can delete now. Now come to, yes. Now at the end, you see you have completed your H1 tag, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now you have to close it in the opposite way you have started it. So you have started H1 and then font. So you will end font first and then you will end H1. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. From
After your name, you have to complete your font tag. After your name is done, Pima, where is your name written? No, after that, at the end, yes. Before that, you have to finish the font tag. Yes.
Yeah, I have to open, right, ma'am?
Yes. / font. Complete the font tag.
/
Yes, font. You see, you are done. See, you are closing this tag, Pima. Understood?
Yes,
you opened the tag, now you are closing it. You opened 2 tags, you are closing 2 tags. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now you save and run. Control S. Now you refresh. Yes.
Okay, let me check once, ma'am.
No. You can just refresh the page. See, you need not to open it again and again. You can refresh and check the output. All right.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Yes. Now it is proper.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Even the font type is changed to Arial, right? There's a different font over there. Yes. Very good. All right. Now you
To
can
run
try.
all this, ma'am, to change all the font and font types in address, email address, and content number, I have to do same, right, ma'am?
No, you need not to do the same. You can even start font tag on line number 7 and end that font tag at the end of all the lines. Before address, you can start your font tag also. See, Pima, what I'm telling, you can use block. Stop sharing, I'll help you out. Stop sharing 1 second. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Stop sharing, I'll help you out. All right. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. See, if I want to mention n number of lines here, if I want all these lines to have same type of font, then I will not end the font tag here. I will end the font tag here. Understood? Font start, font end. Understood?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, you end it in that way so that the complete block of code will have these kind of fonts henceforth. Got it?
Okay, ma'am.
Rima? Yes.
Okay, ma'am. What about face error, ma'am? Face, ma'am. Face tab, ma'am.
See, its font is having these two attributes. These are just attributes to the font tag. You just have to end the tag. You don't have to end the attribute. Tag start, tag end. Tag start, tag end. You need to end the attributes. Alright? There has to be a. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. All right. You can try. All right. Anybody having any question in question number 1 is easy. Question number 3. Who all are doing question number 3? Raise your hand. Question number 3. Divyajit Darshan. All right. Okay. All right. Who is doing question number 2? Raise your hand. Who all are doing question number 2? Nitik. Okay. All right. Okay. Saifulli also. Yes. All right. Samir Alam. Share your screen. Mr. Samir Alam, share your screen. Samir, I have marked you absent because you were not responding to me initially also. All right. So you will be marked as absent only if you don't show me your work. Samir? All right. Yes, show me your notepad. Okay, show me your notepad. All right, okay. Somebody gave this to you, isn't it? Hello, Samir? Show me the second question. Why aren't you unmuting yourself?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, actually, it mic is not working.
Okay, his mic is not working. All right. Okay. No
Yes,
problem.
ma'am.
All right. Okay. Okay. What is the use of TH? Can you tell me in the chat box? Or you can even type it out here. What is the use of TH? All right. Okay. All right. Heading or header? Heading. Are you sure? Okay, heading. All right, fine. Yes. So will it come in italic, underline, or bold? Automatically, in which fonts it will come? Can you tell me if you mention TH? All right. Table heading will come directly in some specifications. Panjwani, did I told you to answer? Huh? Mr. Panjwani.
आपने anyone बोला ना?
I asked Samir Alam itself. Which, all right, no issues. Okay. Okay, no issues. What is the use of TR? Samir Alam, can you tell me? What is TR? Table row. All right. Okay. Then without table row, can you create table? Without TR, will you be able to create table or not? Okay. Okay. Good. All right. No issues. You will be marked as present. All right. Okay. All right. Any questions in question number 1, 2, or 3? See, 2 and 3 we are going to definitely do it, continue in the next class because it is using row span and col span. But any questions in general regarding how to create tables or anything? All right. Okay. Okay, everybody. I'm going to see you in the next class. You are having OPJ is the next class. All right. You are not having mathematics. So make sure that you come with your device in the lecture. All right. Okay. I'm going to see you all within an hour. You can leave the meeting. Yes. How to add image in online compiler GDB. Okay, you are Jignesh Prasad. Are you using HTML in GDB?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All right. Okay. So GDB it's actually a C compiler. Let me check if you can add image in that or not.
Okay.
Because from like what we are using, we are just using it as okay. Oh, you need to load it somewhere. How to load the image? No.
Mom, we have to keep that image in the folder, no, where we have saved that file, HTML file, in order to upload in the GDB.
Yes. See, there is an upload button over here. In the GDB, you have upload button. Jignesh Prasad?
Yes, ma'am. But
Yes.
I'm facing issue that it's a large file. It's telling it can't be uploaded. It's a large file.
It's a which file? A large file.
Large file. It's my
Large file. Oh, okay. Then you download the image which is smaller in size. Okay. And
Okay,
then,
Mom, online GDB has a limited size to upload.
Yes,
That's why
yes,
this might be the issue.
yes. It will happen with online compilers. But offline, you can even run it in your device. That is fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
I am also facing problem in question number 3 due to one size is very large.
What is very large? Can you repeat that? Question number 3. All right. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. The image size is very large. Okay. Okay. So if you are using your own device, try to edit the image using Notepad, using Paint, using MS Paint. All right. Reduce the size. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Just reduce the size using Paint, and then you will be able.
सबकी size same रख दूं फिर टेबल में डालूं तो हो जाएगा ना?
Yeah. Can you repeat that question again?
हम सबकी size same रखूं
हाँ,
जितनी
yes.
image
Yes. See, you can compress this image size using Paint. You reduce the size of every image to like 25% or 50%, whatever is comfortable, and then you can add it in the table, right?
direct HTML से होता है?
Yes, you can add width and height.
Okay, ma'am, got it.
Yes, you can add width and height attributes over there.
Okay,
Alright.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
No problem. Yes. Okay. All. I'll be seeing you in the next class. All right. You can leave the meeting.
Mom, you hadn't marked me present.
Who is there?
Madam.
Ma'am, it is Pranjal. I'm the one speaking.
Okay. Yes, yes, I know. I have marked it present. No need to answer.
Okay, okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, am I marked present?
Who?
Ayush.
Ayush Banushali. Yes.
Hello, madam.
Yes, Pima.
How to put headings, madam?
H1, H2, H3. Till
H1.
Yes, H1 is a heading. This
Oh,
H1.
H1 is heading, madam.
Yes, H1 to H6 all are headings. Pima.
Oh, it's okay, madam.
Yes.
Is it correct, madam, now?
Yes, yes, it is correct, Pima. You can see.
Shall I close with the face, madam? Here, ma'am. See, I have closed my code by a face, madam.
No, no. You did not do it. Yes, now it is correct. Now it is correct.
Okay.
You can save. Run the program.
Okay, ma'am. Oh, there is an
Okay.
output, ma'am.
Okay, sure. Can you show me your code once again? Let me check. Body. HTML start. HTML end. Okay, see. Title. See, you have mentioned title is a tag. Title is not a tag. See, you remove the less than sign from there. Pima. Before title, you have kept a less than sign. Remove that. Now you can run. Now it will show properly. Save and refresh.
Ma'am,
This
is written face is equal to Arial.
Oh, it's okay, ma'am.
Face is Arial, correct, because Ayush, face is the type of the font you can add using HTML.
Okay, ma'am.
Face is one of the
Hello,
attributes to add. Yes, it is correct now. Correct.
Yeah, madam. Why this? Why there is a small letter, madam?
Because see, you
Compared
have, because H1 is the biggest size of heading that you can get here. Then H2 is little bit small in size as compared to H1. Pima, that is
I want to keep this same, madam. How
same.
can I change, madam?
Same. Then just change H2 to H1 again. See, you have written H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, right? Change
Yes,
all
ma'am.
to H1. If it is in H1, then every heading will have the same font size. Okay?
I will keep these three same, madam.
Okay,
From-
then you have to end also with H2. See, your H2, yes. See, address, it is ending H3. In address, you have to end with H2. Yes, correct. Ending tags also you have to change. Yes, very good.
Is only that is the question one, madam.
Yes, this much is question 1. Maniyar, I have kept your attendance present only. Darshan Maniyar, you can leave the session. Done, Vima?
Yes, ma'am. Madam,
Yes.
I want to change my phone color only to this, madam. Before only this, madam. Full name, address, and email address and contact number, ma'am. Not to.
Okay.
Not
Then
details
go
of.
to the editor again. Yes. Go to the notepad. Okay. See, now you have started your font tag for title, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then end it after title. End your font tag after title. Yes. You remove the ending from a font tag over there, and you put it over here. Ending. Where is it ending?
Yeah, shall I remove this, ma'am?
No. See, last third line, Pima. Last third line. Last third line. Yes, font, right? That is the ending tag, right? Now this ending, where will you keep it ending tag? After the title ends. Okay, remove the ending tag from here. Remove that tag from here. Yes. And keep it where? After the title. Remove completely. Remove the font ending tag. Yes. Now keep your cursor after title. Now finish your font tag over there. Yes. Now end your font tag. Ending of the tag. Less than sign, slash, font. Yes. We have written question mark font. Pima, slash font. Yes. Very good. Done. Right? Now save. Now refresh the page. Now see, this will be only applied to title, right? Why? Open the notepad again. I'll explain it to you. Open the notepad again. See, where is your font tag starting? For title, it is starting. And it is ending after title. Now the same thing, starting of font tag and ending of font tag, the same pattern you have to repeat for full name, address, email address. Understood?
Yes.
Yes. Start your font tag before full name.
Yeah, I have to put
Yes, yeah.
oh, right, ma'am.
After that, after full name. After full name, put that. Yes. Yes. And before full name, copy the previous line. Yes, very good. Yes, after that you have to end it. Very good. Now it is ending, but are you starting it? It is not started, right? So copy
Yes,
the
ma'am.
font. Yes, copy that tag completely. And yes, very good. And put it before full name. Yes. You forgot the less than sign before font tag.
Okay,
In all
ma'am.
of them you have to put, okay? Yes, in all of them. Yes. Yes, very good. Yes. Now you save and run and refresh.
Okay, ma'am. It works, ma'am.
Got it?
Got it, ma'am.
Yes. Any
I have
question?
now question 1, madam.
Yes, question 1 is done. Very good. Now you have to move on to question number 3, all right?
Yes, ma'am. Madam, I have
Yeah.
one question, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
In address, right, madam?
Can you repeat that question?
In address, ma'am. In address, this land, ma'am.
Okay, address. Yes, what happened?
Yeah, I want to put Marward University. Then below that, the Raj code is here, ma'am. Somehow here, I want to put that much, ma'am. How can I put this, ma'am?
Then put BR. Remember BR? BR. For break line.
BR.
I told you. Yes.
Yeah, address. I have to go in address.
Yes.
Here, madam.
Yes, there you can put BR. Open the tag.
BR, ma'am.
Yes, BR is a tag, Bima. So
Yes,
open
ma'am.
the less than sign and greater than sign. In between that, put BR, okay?
Wait, ma'am.
Yes. It's a tag, Bima.
Yes, is it correct, ma'am? No.
Less than BR, greater than. Correct. Now you can save and refresh.
Okay, let me run once, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Done?
Yes, ma'am. But I want this red code here, madam. Below Marwadi, madam. How can
Okay.
I put this?
Yes, for that you need to use table because it's like 2 rows, right, Pima? You want Marwadi
Yes, ma'am.
University an address in form of 2 rows, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So for that we need to use table tag. Okay.
Chamber, ma'am.
Table, TR, TD.
Here, madam.
Yes, but not there. See, for table, I'll be explaining you it in the next session because next session, question number 2 and 3, both are of table tag only. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So in next class, we'll do table and then you can edit this file. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
You can save your file and you can close. No problem.
Okay, ma'am. We'll keep up here today, ma'am.
Yes. Any further questions regarding this practical, Pima?
Yes, I'm okay, ma'am. It's okay, ma'am. I got it all, ma'am.
Okay. That's great. All right. I'll see you in the lecture. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank
Bye.
you, ma'am.
No problem. Bye.
Have you put me present, ma'am?
Yes, you are present.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
No problem. Yes. Bye.
Okay, bye, ma'am.